Okay, let's do something interesting. Maybe not interesting at all. It's about paper reading and introduce the idea in paper. It's an artificial intelligence plus education paper. The title is Enhancing Critical Thinking in Education by Means of a Socratic Chatbot. The authors are from Spain and Switzerland. It's uploaded to archive. I think we can give a very brief summary with several sentences to summarize the main idea of this paper. We don't need to talk it in details. The first one is about the goal of the paper. They want to train a large language model to support the Socratic questioning method, and then they can use it to foster or enhance the students' critical thinking skill. So then, how to train the model? They use standard process. They use the open source dataset SocratiQ and use the QLoRA quantized LoRA to fine tune the Llama 2 7 billion and 13 billion. After training, they do the prompt tuning, namely design a prompt to enable or activate or stimulate Socratic question style. Okay, so it's about the technologies in the model. A very standard process. Then they need to evaluate the model, right? But obviously, if they employs tons of students, maybe not tons, if they employ many students from classroom or from schools, it's not it's not an automatic process. So they want to make the evaluation automatic, so they use the language model stimulates students, and they use large language model to stimulate students. Then they create a framework to do the diagonal not di dialogue. Yeah, the dialogue between two agents. One is the Socratic tutor, the Socratic LM, and the other one is the LM stimulated student to generate dialogue. Okay, then about the evaluation matrix, they think if the language model can produce high quality question, then the students will give the accurate response. So higher quality of the question, then better response from students. So they compare the responses by the students and with the expected response. Namely, they have the key points in the data set. They compare these two to suggest the quality of the questions generated by the large language model tutor. So the score can be evaluated, produced by the n-gram-based method or by BERT or LLM. So I think, yeah, that's it. We have summarized the main idea of this paper. Then let's look some similar products. One is the Khan Academy and the Kamigo. They give they have a video on YouTube. They had and the video's name is Prompt Basics. So we can see the first sentence is you are a Socratic tutor. Something similar to this paper. This paper they have a prompt. The first sentence is you are a Socratic philosopher. Just change tutor to another role, right? Something similar. Another similar product or paper is the Edu Chat from ECNU, East China Normal University. Okay, so that's it. This is the abstract of this paper. Yeah, in English we don't need to read it. And the scores we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They used 5 different metrics and show that the Socratic fine-tuning and prompt tuning can create a better result than basic than the basic prompt and random prompt. And they also show that the model size seems just have some comparable performance. The x-axis is about the term number between the tutor and the student. Okay, that's it. Thank you.